Guten Tag. That's right. Switch it up on you guys. Hit you with the Guten Tag. Day 3 of Berlin. Technically day 3. You're right. All right. So today we are doing a boat tour. We paid €40 yesterday to do the hop on, hop off. So with that, we also get a boat tour. So we're gonna get some breakfast first, and then we're gonna head over to the river. I think it's spot 14 on the city sightseeing or something like that. On the hop on, hop off. So we're gonna go over to spot 14, hop on the bus. We're gonna do the boat tour. I'm sorry. We're gonna do a boat tour. I think we're gonna tour a couple of spots. Maybe go to Checkpoint Charlie and walk with our feet, and maybe a couple other things. Check it all out. All right. That said, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That is our channel here. We do tons of exploring with you guys, my lovely and faithful explorers. Let's go explore some more Berlin. All right. All right, cappuccinos are here, served with a little cookie, cookie.
That comes out fast.
And that's our view for breakfast. Train in the background.
Could not come at a better time.
I know. All right, breakfast is done. That was like 30, done? Done. 36 euro to feed 4 people. That place is cash only. So I know why some people were like, hey, you can just pay with your card. Look at this. It says cash only. Only cash. So cash is still king. But also, you know, have a card that you can tap. We are now going to head over to the hop on, hop off, see if we can ride it for 2 stops. And then we're going to get off at like stop 14, take the boat around. And yeah, that's where we're headed now. So we're actually back over in the same area. We're just walking back around, back over the bridge to where the part of the wall is that we got on the hop on, hop off. Oh, hey look, it's Dennis Rodman.
Oh Lord.
You guys remember him?
I remember him.
It is windy today. Very windy, and it's also like 50 degrees. So that wind is sitting directly to your bones. All the way to your bones. But we're over here. The East Side Gallery. That's what this is called. And that's where we're at. We're gonna walk down, show you a little bit of the East Side Gallery, maybe get over to the that famous painting. But this is where we're at. This is the wall, you guys. Right next to it. Guess what? We can touch the wall. Touch the wall. Oh. I touched the wall. Oh, missing some people. All the way in the back there. All right. Let's continue on. All right, so I switched to the wide-angle lens to frame the monuments and everything a little bit better. I don't know. Yeah. So I get more of the scenery. What do you guys think? Should I wide angle or should I just go back to regular? This is wide angle. This is regular.
I'm waiting for your feedback
Wide angle,
to decide which one we're gonna do.
regular. Leave a comment down below. DM me on my Instagram. Slide in. Don't slide in. Oh. She said no.
Should I not slide in?
What's going on over there, Magellan?
Oh, I'm looking for the Wasser taxi.
Oh.
I wish you guys just could have heard of the whole.
Oh, is that Kelsey asking?
All right, so we're gonna try Bandy's currywurst. This is our first time trying some currywurst. I'm gonna go ahead and get this little combo right here. Currywurst with french fries and a soft drink. First time doing it. I'll let you guys know how it is.
Break up
All right, here it is, you guys. First try.
It's the currywurst.
How's it?
You want the red?
Okay, okay. She doesn't like curry in general.
Let's know what she should.
I'm trying out the fries.
Curry powder.
Fries are pretty crispy. Let's try this out. I like it. That's delicious, you guys. Delicious. Don't mind if I do. I'm gonna have myself another.
Basically soaked in curry ketchup.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a little fart too. 2:15. We're making okay time.
All right, everyone. We are over here by the Spreefart,
The Berliner water taxi.
the water taxi. So we're gonna take a tour. It's supposed to be a 1-hour tour. We've not missed.
They're every 30 minutes.
Yeah, the bus. Yeah, they're not the bus. The boats are every 30 minutes. We skipped out on the first one, then the second one we got down here, and most of the good seats were taken up. So we got seats that didn't have a decent view. So we're gonna wait for this bus, not bus. I keep on saying bus. This boat here, and this is the one that we're gonna take for our tour. So as soon as these guys get off the boat, we're gonna hop on. Probably get those seats right there in the front and go for the tour.
Hello.
Hello. Oh,
Yep.
there's got those two
That's for
there.
us too.
3 adults?
She's
Yes.
under 3.
Yeah. Okay.
Go 1, 2, and 3, 4.
Oh, I love these pull out my way plastic chairs.
It's chilly out here. It's very cold. Wind is blowing. It's like 50 something degrees, maybe if that. It says that it's 57, but it feels colder than that. I asked everyone to go inside. I was like, "You guys go inside. It's cold." Got the kiddo out here. So, for the sake of getting some good content, I, the Exploring Yeti, am sacrificing my body for you guys, my lovely and loyal, faithful explorers, to get the best coverage I can get, best content for this tour for you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm out here. I'm chilling. But we're waiting, and we should get underway in about 5 more minutes.
Rein. Ob das so ist, das wissen weder die Berliner noch die Kölner, also auch die am Rhein nicht. Hier sind so einige Dokumente.
right, everyone. Well, with that said, she's done narrating the tour. She's gonna get off the mic until we get to the low bridge part, and then she'll hop back on. But it is windy. It's chilly. I have my gloves on. It's pretty cool. A lot of good history here, and she gave a lot of cool facts, a lot of sights to see. Right over here is, I believe, like where all the embassies are and whatnot. So it's just like kind of down that way. I see a Swiss flag over there, so I'm assuming that's where the rest of the embassies are, over that way. But yeah, last full day, pretty cool. I like it. All right, all done with the hour boat tour. Now I think we're gonna head back, take a taxi, collect ourselves, regroup, then head back out. Quick turn.
7.
Ja, also ich bin nach Gründe. Alles Großseite, da kommt rein.
All right, update. We have dropped off part of our crew. Now we are back on the hop on, hop off bus. We're gonna head over to the Holocaust Memorial. So we're trying to figure out where to go, which stop to get off on, in order to do that. Yeah, Google Maps. All right, so if you guys at home have been following along, we are at stop 12. We're at stop 12. So we're way over here. We got to get over to the Brandenburg Gate, which is over here. So we have to basically just kind of follow this route here, go by the TV tower, over the bridge, past Museum Island, and then 2 stops after Museum Island. Then we're going to be over by the Brandenburg Gate, and then we just have like a 7-minute walk from the Brandenburg Gate in order to get to the memorial. All right, I think we can do it. It closed at 6, so I think it'll take us like a good 30 minutes to get over there. All right, let's hurry up and wait. Update, I lost my wide angle lens on the boat ride. This is the first lens that I had lost. I have one at home and the magnets came out of it. So I might have to try to figure out a way how to glue the magnets back into the wide angle lens, so I don't have to pay $40 to get a whole new one. I'm very disappointed in myself. Okay, that's update on that. I really I started liking that wide angle lens too. I'm not gonna stress about it. Let's enjoy the rest of our evening here in Berlin. Last day. Tomorrow we head out. 4-hour train ride to Frankfurt. We are off the hop on, hop off. Headed over to the Holocaust Museum. No, the memorial.
Holocaust Memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe.
Yes, Holocaust Memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe. That's where we're walking to. It's only maybe not
7-minute walk.
7. I think it's going to be a 5-minute walk.
Yeah, not even. Like,
Yeah, it's real quick. Yeah, we passed by it on the way over to the Brandenburg Gate,
which we saw yesterday.
Yes.
In all of its resplendent glory.
Yes, in all of its glory at sunset.
It was beautiful. That was the move, guys.
That was the move right there. We're gonna head over there. Then we're gonna probably head over to Checkpoint Charlie, I think, right?
Yeah, we're gonna try to get over there.
And then after that, we're not sure what we're going to do. Maybe just saying eat. Yeah, eat probably is a good idea. Maybe do like a tiny bit more touring, something small, and then go from there.
Really anything? Is there something else that you?
I don't know. I don't think so. What's on our list?
We saw the Wall Museum.
Yeah, we saw the wall. Saw the wall. I actually touched the wall.
Yeah, we saw the actual factual still standing wall with all the rebar.
Yeah. That's actually back over this way. So the embassies are all behind us. It was on the other side or in the middle of the embassies, I think.
No, it was on the way. Like I was away from the embassies. It's another
Is it? Okay.
Another stop.
All right.
Yeah.
Something like that. But here we are. I'm going to take a moment of silence while I'm going through here, and I'm not going to do too much vlogging. So enjoy the memorial to the murdered Jews of Europe. All right, we tried to beat the time and get into the museum or whatever's underneath there. Unfortunately, we didn't make it. That's okay. That gives us another opportunity to come back to Berlin and actually tour the museum portion of it.
Oh yeah, I think we'll do, next time we come to Berlin, we're going to spend some time on Museum Island actually.
Yeah, I would love to go over to Museum Island. So now we're going to head over to Checkpoint Charlie.
It's a kilometer away.
How many minutes?
17 minutes.
17-minute walk, and it's pretty frosty. How did you feel about that, hon?
The Holocaust has always affected me for whatever reason, like strongly.
Yeah.
So I don't like when people aren't respectful.
Yeah, true.
Like there were kids screaming and running and playing hide and seek, and I understand that's what kids do, but this is not the place to do it. So it's a little disrespectful in my opinion, but
yeah, we walked through and then we got out of there real quick. It's just, like my wife's saying, kids playing hide and seek, running, they're screaming. I was trying to take it in, and anyway, maybe we'll talk more about that later when we get back stateside. Maybe we'll do like a whole digest or something. So,
well, the thing I really like about Germany and Berlin in particular is they have reckoned with their history. They're not trying to hide it or sweep it under the rug. They're like, yeah, absolutely. We are complicit in the murder of Jews, and I think that that's a wonderful thing.
Well, maybe we'll dive more into that a little bit later. Right now, let's head over to Checkpoint Charlie and then figure out what we're going to do after that. On the way to Checkpoint Charlie, we have come across the Mall of Berlin. I was interested in checking this out, and you like those? Those magnets? My wife has found some magnets, as you can see, and she is losing her mind.
Forever loving
they got a bunch of cool stuff in here. Ooh, I'm gonna go in here now. I see some cool stuff I like. All right, let's check out this Mall of Berlin. It's been advertised everywhere. All right, we did a little lap around or through the Mall of Berlin. I had to buy some Legos. They had some Legos there that I hadn't seen. Oh, this is part of the wall, huh?
Yeah,
It's cool.
Moved here.
Oh, it's moved here. Okay. Look at this, guys. Piece of the wall that was actually moved here. Super cool, super cool. Look how thick that is. So we bought some Legos. There's some Legos there. I was like, I haven't seen these. I don't know if these are going to be back in the States. So let's just go ahead and get them. So we bought $80 worth of Legos. No shame in my game.
No,
Okay.
that's wrong way.
Wrong way. One other way. Nope, wrong way, that way. No, we're going the right way. Yeah, because that's...
Similar each here.
Okay. All right, now we're going to head over to Checkpoint Charlie and put our feet on it.
Put a feet on it. And
Put our
take a
feet
picture.
on it. Yep, that's right. All right, we have made it over to Checkpoint Charlie. It's right in front of us.
Yeah.
The walk from the Mall of Berlin wasn't too long. It was like 10, 12-minute walk. But it's actually not very busy over here at all. I thought it would be a whole lot busier, honestly. There's like 40 people kind of scattered about, but over where the checkpoint actually is, there's only like 8 people over there. So we're gonna go over there, we're gonna take our pictures and everything and move on. All right, and with that, that was Checkpoint Charlie. See, there wasn't too many people over there. There's a few.
You know we got here?
We got here just in time, because now it's busy. So there's only like a couple of people ahead of us, and we went up and took our picture. And now, look how busy it got, like all of a sudden. So many people now. But that, my friends, is Checkpoint Charlie there. Super cool to actually witness it. I've only heard about it, and it's nice to actually be here and actually see it. So with that said, my wife is going inside without me, so I gotta play catch up to her and find her. Gotta find my mask first. All right, we went inside a gift shop over by Checkpoint Charlie. Bought a couple things, a couple souvenirs, and now we're just kind of walking. We picked a direction, said our Airbnb is that way. Do you want to walk? Yes.
Maybe.
Oh, we're getting further away.
Yeah.
How the? All right. Looks like we got to do some serious navigating because we're moving away from my Airbnb. But we're also looking for a restaurant as well, so we can get something to eat. I'm good for some more. What's that called? Schnitzel. Anyway, that schnitzel that we got, schnitzel that we got the first night, it was hella good. So I wouldn't be opposed to getting another one of those myself. We're gonna figure this out. I'll get back to you guys once we finally find something or kind of get a real solid game plan going on. All right, quick update again. We just did a big old giant circle, which was fine. It's okay. They had all their makeups done.
Yeah, their eyebrows were tough.
So we're back actually over here by Checkpoint Charlie. It's actually down that way right over there. Hold on, I gotta put my mask on. We're gonna take the some public transportation back over to our Airbnb. So we have to catch 2 trains. We ride the U train over one stop, and then we get off and transfer, and then take another one back over to where we're supposed to be, our Airbnb. Anyway, we're gonna order some food. Morgan's gonna order some food for us. Thank you, Morgan, very much. We appreciate it. And then we're going to eat and get to packing. Let's go, baby. We're back over in the neighborhood where our Airbnb is at. My wife, as you can see, has a whole bunch of water and sparkling water. Train trip tomorrow. We're gonna leave the Airbnb around 8:30, right? Is that what we said?
No, 10.
10.
Yeah.
Ugh. Okay, I think that's getting close, but we'll
Our
see.
train is at 11.
Okay. It's a 4-hour train ride from here over to Frankfurt. So I'm sure by plane it'll be like an hour ride.
Yeah.
But since we are going by train, you know, a little bit longer of a route. But I'm excited for the train tomorrow. Check out these efficient German trains. And we are traveling first class. I think we get some food included. I'm not 100% sure.
We have, it says catering service to our, like to us.
Okay.
We might have to pay.
Might have to pay. Yeah, you're right. But also, we should be getting a compartment because I selected a compartment when I booked our tickets for the train. So hopefully we get a compartment just to ourselves because there's 4 of us.
Good evening.
Good evening. That's the end of our day. What do we do today? So we woke up. We got breakfast. Then we did the hop on, hop off bus for 2 stops. We got off over there by the TV tower. We did like a tiny bit of light shopping. And then we hopped on the boat. I almost called it a bus again. Hopped on the boat.
It was too cold out there, so I went inside.
Yeah, it was too cold out there for everyone. You three went inside. I stayed outside, and I braved the cold weather and the wind. It didn't get too bad. Like some parts were.
Yeah, the sun actually came out eventually.
Yeah, it came eventually, but it wasn't as windy as it was when we're just sitting there idle. Picked up a little bit, but it wasn't too bad on the front there. How did you like the boat tour? I don't think we didn't discuss it at all.
No, it was cool. Well, we had to
Yeah, we had to get
come
back. Yeah.
It was cool. I liked the information, although we got most of the information yesterday.
Yeah, so it was kind of like a rehash
Mhm.
of quite a bit of the information.
Mm-hmm.
But
I always love taking pictures under the bridges.
yeah, I know.
Yeah, I love the under the bridges signs. They're like street signs.
Mm-hmm.
So I took a bunch of pictures.
I liked it. Again, it was just a rehash of the information. And
How'd you like it, babe?
I liked it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was cold out front, but it was good to see everything from a different angle. But again, it was the same stuff that we saw on the hop on hop off
We
bus.
also had currywurst, which you really
Oh
liked.
yeah. We had currywurst before the boat.
Yeah, you really liked that?
I did.
I did not. It's like curry flavored ketchup, not my favorite. And then we came back. We said, okay, we're gonna go see the Holocaust Memorial for the murdered European Jews, and it was too loud. There were too many kids running around and running and not respecting the situation. The information center, the museum there was not open anymore, so we went over to Checkpoint Charlie. Oh, we stopped at the mall.
Yeah.
I got my German version of Harry Potter.
Yes, you did.
You got Legos.
I got Legos.
Lots
Yes.
of Legos. Oh, they've been out of the Disney Castle in California for months, so we found that there. And got
Yeah,
that.
we got the Walt Disney World castle.
50th anniversary. And then we had schnitzel again,
Yeah,
and it was amazing again.
it was fantastic.
Oh,
I
we
would do it
loved her.
again. Yeah,
So yeah, that was our day, and then we've been packing,
yeah,
and we're like probably 90% packed. We just need to put in our
yeah.
overnight bags and
Yeah.
dirty clothes.
Yeah.
And then we take a train tomorrow to Frankfurt.
Yep. So our train leaves at 11:04. We're gonna try to get there at about 10:30, just so we can get down to the platform. I think maybe we need to get there a little bit earlier than 10:30 because we're not sure where the platform is. We might have to go further down or somewhere.
We'll figure that out.
Yeah, we'll figure that out. Get to the train station, and we have a almost 4-hour train ride from here, Berlin, all the way to Frankfurt. That's tomorrow, though. Tonight, shower, and tomorrow we finish the last bit of packing, and that's it. We head to Frankfurt. Jeez, we head to Frankfurt, but it was a pretty decent day. I enjoyed it. Yeah, it was a good day.
So
So
we got to walk around Berlin and feel the vibes. It was nice.
yeah, and we walked through like a legit neighborhood. We went off the beaten path a little bit, and just kind of get a feel for the city. What isn't the touristy area? Yeah, and that's how we like to do that though, and we like to get lost a little bit and explore the city that way, and that's what we were able to do. We went off the beaten path a little bit, explored. And we're like, okay.
Did
dig
in
this.
Istanbul, did in Athens, did it in Paris,
Yep.
did it in Italy,
Yeah, yeah. That was fun.
did it in Brussels.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing we do.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching so much. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and
Got nothing. Tell a friend.
tell a friend. How about
I'll come up with something better tomorrow.
how about share your favorite schnitzel with your friend, with the message inside that says subscribe to Next Morning Yeti. No, that's not good. Maybe we'll edit that.
I got nothing.
We're tired. It's almost midnight.
It's unwatch o'clock because our watches are dead.
Yeah, they're charging.
Yeah. Thank you for exploring with us.
Thank you so much. Be kind and be safe. Have a good night.
Good night.
We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. What exactly are you doing there?
Good night.
Good.